Well, we had to redo some more of the CAD because there was an issue with the motor clipping through the drive base. So we had to re-drill some holes so we can actually fit lower intake in the robot. And then there's been others working on the big tube, which is they're doing in there right now. And yeah.
So the tutor has changed. We moved the position of the motor more higher so the belt could fit across the motor. We had to change it because before it wouldn't fit on, and if it did fit on, it was way too loose.
In week 4, Big Toob has had many of the parts done, so basically we finished about 70% of the parts. There are a few issues with the CAD and 2 of the bars, which are the most important bars, and some of the holes in those bars were not CAD'd, so we had to improvise. So we used the same part and drilled the holes that we needed to drill onto that part.
So over the past week we've been working on the script for the chairman's video and talking about different concepts for what we're going to film and how we're going to tell the story of Artemis so far. And we've also worked on the essay and questions and getting them finalised for submission.
This week we programmed a sensor, so a light sensor, to sense when the power cells got to the top of the big tube but not into the shooter, and that helps us with knowing when to actually start the shooter up, so when the wheels of the shooter would start going really fast so that the ball could be shot across the field so it would work.
Last week we were trying to figure out the design we should use for the climber. So we had to figure out what type of climber we wanted to use, if it was going to be motorized. We had to figure out how many lengths of metal we had to use to create the climber, because once it was folded down, it had to still fit on our robot, but it had to reach up 6 feet. So we had to figure out the dimensions of the robot, the longest we could make each individual stick, and then how far up we could actually get it to reach.